Jamie and Sally order in a restaurant? Hello. Hi, a table for two, please. Of course. Over here, please. Here's the menu. Thank you. Are you ready to order? Yes, we are. What would you like for your starter? I'd like French onion soup, please. And I'll have a tomato salad, please. And for the main course? I'm not sure. I don't know whether to have the steak or Thai chicken. Oh, I'd like the Thai chicken and rice, please. Okay, me too. So that's 2 Thai chicken and rice. What would you like to drink? I'll have a fresh orange juice and I'd like some mineral water, please. Okay, thank you.